Okay, so now we're going to demonstrate some HDMI in sharing function. As you recall, the RXV200 has an HDMI input, so we can connect a cable directly to the HDMI. And as you will see, the right screen will present us our presentation, and using the RXPad, which is detecting the presentation, we can stop or start the sharing as much as we like. For example, I will also do it during a meeting. I will start a meeting now. The cable is still connected, nothing has changed. We'll see the camera, and I'm, as the user, decided that I want to start and sharing content using the MTR. So I will press on the sharing button here, connect the device, and as you will see on the screen my presentation in the back, and once the people are joining to the meeting, they will be able to see the presentation. The audio is transferred also the same method, so if I will share something with audio, the remote participant will see the presentation and will hear the audio. If the HDMI cable is connected via the RXPad, as we saw before, the audio will not be shared and only the video will be transferred. So only the presentation itself will be shown. The remote side will not hear the audio if we are using the RXPad HDMI in during the meeting.